Hey loves, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my 3D flowers along with some rhinestone placements. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my last video. I did do a tutorial on a quick, easy ombre full set. I didn't do the design portion in that video, so that's what we're doing today. Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm going in here with my no wipe top coat. I'm doing this because I'm only doing a very simple rhinestone placement, so this is going to save me time. Along with that, I'm doing 3D flowers, so I like to go in always with the no wipe top coat before doing the 3D flowers, as the matte finish to the 3D flowers looks more realistic, so you don't want to get any top coat on those 3D flowers. But if you do, it's okay. You can just wipe it off with some alcohol or acetone, or you can even put a matte top coat on just the flowers itself. Okay, so now that we're done with our rhinestone placement, I'm going to go on my 3D flowers. I do like to use my Mia's Secret White acrylic powder, as it does dry a little bit quicker than other acrylic powders. So, and it's perfect for those 3D art look, whatever 3D art look you want to do. I feel like this is a definitely good acrylic. But anyways, I did start with placing a very, very, very small bead on the nail, letting it dry, letting it get that matte top, like a little matte finish at the top before going in with my brush and patting it down. This is not the same method as applying acrylic. It is completely different. You're using a way smaller brush with the point to it. As you can see, you want to keep that point to the center and patting it down so you can give it that petal look. Okay, so now we're going in and we're putting another small bead right there, making sure we're waiting. Because if you don't wait and you go in as soon as you put it down, you will take the whole entire bead off. And it's just a waste of product, a waste of time. You're going to have to go back in again. So just make sure you're waiting for that matte finished look before you start patting. Make sure you're keeping your brush very parallel to the nail and keeping that point to the center, just so you can give it that nice 3D petal look. You want to make this flower look as realistic as possible. Now, when you're going in with your brush into the powder, it doesn't show right now, but once I go over to the other hand, you will see more clearly that I'm going to be twirling my hand in the acrylic powder. I'm not patting it or dragging it. I'm just twirling it slightly to give it that ball. You see, we're patting it slightly, giving it those petals, giving it those ridges. You know, give it as many ridges as you possibly can. Flowers have so many ridges, and this is not the only flowers that you can do. You can do so many other flowers. Any 3D art you can do, but this is just my way of doing the 3D flowers. So you did see me turn my brush a little bit when I was doing those flowers, just so I can get the different angles. You're gonna see me point my brush upwards this time, just so I can get that 3D flower look on the opposite side of where the bottom direction is going. Once you practice this more and more, you will become accustomed to it. It was a struggle for me at first, especially when I was in school doing these flowers. My teacher was teaching me and I was completely struggling, but once you start to practice, I promise you, you're going to be bomb at it. That's just how it happens. Practice makes perfect. I don't care what nobody says. It's the truth. And it always will be. Practice makes perfect. Practice, practice, practice. Yes. With the 3D flowers, I like to go in with rhinestones. Some people don't like to put rhinestones in their flowers. That's cool. we like bling over here, so that's what we're doing with these. We're putting a couple rhinestones on the side so we can give it that nice 3D flower look. And you can see it has that matte finish with the gloss underneath, which is what we wanted. Makes it look really realistic. Flawless. We love it.